Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging and powering the JBL Endurance Run BT, plug them in and watch the LED. Once charged, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it close to make pairing immediate. You should now select ear tips and ear locks, match sizes to your ear canal and outer ear for security and bass response. Put the tips on before insertion. This reduces assembly fuss. Make sure the right bud goes to the right ear. Proper orientation matters for voice prompts and stereo positioning. Now focus on fit. Insert each earbud at a slight angle, then rotate gently until you feel a seal. This improves bass and noise isolation. Once the tip is seated, loop the flexible ear lock into the outer ear concha to anchor the bud. This prevents slip during runs. After both buds are in, route the cable behind your neck so it lies flat and won't snag. You'll notice better stability and comfort when the cable tension is neutral, so adjust slack before you start activity. Finish with functional checks. Play a familiar track and confirm stereo balance, volume, and mic behavior. Move your head to test for dropouts. If sound is muffled, reseat the tips or swap to the next size. Seal quality is essential for clarity. Once satisfied, tuck the inline remote under your collar for easy access. If Bluetooth or audio problems occur, power cycle the buds and your phone, forget and repair the device. This resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.